Good morning everyone. Today we'll start your poem 2. The name of your poem is The Rebel. Do you know who is rebel? Rebel is a person who opposes everyone. Let's start your poem. It's written here. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends, or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Think of a word to describe such a person. Do you know, students? If someone who never agrees with everyone, if there is a person who always likes to do opposite of what everyone think or what everyone do, that kind of person is known as rebel. So it's written here. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Your poem is about the attitude of a rebel. In this poem, the poet has showed how a rebel who is always against the norms and customs of society would behave in different situations. Let's read the poem. The poem says, when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. In simple words, the poet is telling us a rebel is a person who always goes against the wish or against the views of other people. The example he has given here is, if everyone likes short hair, the rebel likes long hair. When everyone likes long hair, the rebel likes short hair. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Here the poet is saying, when a class is going on, everybody is busy in discussion with the topic what they are studying in the class. When everybody is busy in the interaction, the rebel doesn't say a word. And when, on the other hand, a class is very busy during the lesson, everybody is sitting quiet, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Fantastic means very attractive clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. That means sensible. When everybody is wearing uniform, like you all wear uniform in your school, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Clothes which are not the part of your uniform, which is very colorful, very attractive. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, when everybody is wearing colorful, attractive dresses, he dresses soberly. That means he comes in very simple dress. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in good word for dogs. Puts in a good word. Here this phrase means say positive things about someone. Now here the poet is telling us, when everybody is liking the company of dogs, everybody is in the company of dog lovers, the rebel prefers for the cats. And if everyone is in the company of cat lovers, then he will always say something good about the dogs. When everybody is praising on sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. A rebel would long for rain when everybody around him wishes for the sunshine. When everyone is enjoying the rain, the rebels will feel sad for the absence of the sun. When everybody goes to meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Now they are saying, when everybody likes to go out for meeting other people, for meeting their friends, the rebel wants to stay at home and read a book. When everybody wants to stay at home and read a book, the rebel wants to go out and meet his friends. When everybody says yes please, the rebel say no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. That means when everybody says yes please, a rebel says no thank you. as he likes to disagree when others agree, or vice versa. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Here, as a conclusion, the poet is saying, to avoid being dull and monotonous, a person should have some social rebels in the society. If we will not have these kind of rebels, we will not find anything good in our surroundings. Thank you.